August 26th is International Dog Day. It's a day to acknowledge and appreciate the unique bond between canines and humans, and to raise awareness about shelter dogs and the importance of adoption. It's a day to celebrate all dogs, regardless of breed or background, and to encourage responsible dog ownership. The history of the relationship between humans and canines goes back nearly 40,000 years, when it's believed that gray wolves made the first move toward domestication by following nomadic tribes for food scraps. Between 40 and 80 years later, people began to adopt the wolves as their companions and pets. Observance of National Dog Day began in 2004 thanks to animal behaviorist Colleen Page, who wanted to bring attention to animal abuse and assist with animal charities. Page also wanted to highlight the contributions that dogs make to society as loyal companions, service animals, and in the line of duty with law enforcement or military operations. It is estimated that approximately 57% of all the people in the world have pets, and of that 57%, 33% of them are dogs. Since the celebration of National Dog Day began, it has expanded globally and used as a platform to encourage shelter dog adoptions, volunteering in rescue shelters, or donating to charities that assist dogs to live happy and abuse-free lives. So whether they are working hard or hardly working, dogs are among the best friends and family you could ever have. Consider supporting your local animal rescue and fostering or adopting a pup today. The City of Tullahoma is proud to celebrate August 26th as International Dog Day.